Welcome to the unboxing and setup guide for your air conditioner. This is your brand new air conditioner. Let's make sure the box arrived safely. Any damage? Don't worry. Contact customer service first. They'll make it right. Find contact info in the manual. Open the box. All parts are neatly packed. Let's meet them. First, let's unbox the indoor and outdoor units. Please verify all accessories against the packing list. Make sure everything looks good. Proper installation is step 1 to cool efficiency. Let's do this step by step. A professional installation requires the correct tools. Here is the core tool checklist. Next, install the indoor unit. Ensure the wall can support the unit. First, take out the mounting plate and drill holes. Position the mounting plate. Take the mounting plate, press it against the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure it is perfectly horizontal. Mark the screw holes and securely fix the plate to the wall using expansion bolts. Drill a hole through the wall for the pipes. Open the air conditioner cover. Pen the wiring terminal cover on the indoor unit. We now connect the pipes and cables. Refer to the wiring diagram attached on the unit and connect the wires to their corresponding terminals. Ensure the wire ends are fully inserted and tighten the terminal screws with a torque screwdriver to prevent loose connections. Finally, reattach the terminal cover. Gently flip the machine over and cut off the pipe port cover. Locate the drain outlet on the back of the indoor unit. Securely attach the drain hose onto the outlet, ensuring a tight fit. Now, connect the copper pipes. First, press down on the top of the black cap to vent the copper tubing. Unscrew the black cap. Inspect the flare ends of the copper pipes to ensure they are smooth and undamaged. Align the flare nut with the indoor unit's valve port and hand tighten it first to ensure proper thread engagement. Then, use a torque wrench for final tightening. Hearing a click indicates the preset torque has been reached. Wrap the connected flare joints with the provided insulation. Then, use strapping tape to bundle the drain hose, cables, and copper pipes together tightly. Carefully pass the copper pipes, drain hose, and cables through the wall hole. Slide on the pipe protection rings and fill with sealing compound. Ensure the pipes are not twisted and the drain hose maintains a downward slope. Lift the unit with both hands. Hook the indoor unit onto the mounting plate. Gently shift the unit left and right to ensure it is securely engaged. With the indoor unit installed, we now proceed with the outdoor unit. First, confirm the installation location. Ensure a minimum clearance of 12-inch in front, 4-inch at the air inlet side, and 20-inch above the unit for heat dissipation and maintenance. Place the outdoor unit with utmost care upon a firm and level surface. Ensure the outdoor unit is perfectly level. Now, connect the copper pipes from the indoor unit. Inspect the flare ends for damage. Hand tighten the connecting nuts first to ensure proper thread alignment. Use a torque wrench set to the specified values for final tightening. After connection, ensure the pipes are routed naturally without stress or twisting. Open the wiring terminal cover on the outdoor unit. Remove the power cord clip. Thread the power cord through the small hole underneath. Strictly following the wiring diagram on the unit, connect the power and communication wires to their corresponding terminals. Ensure wires are of the correct specification and connections are secure. Secure the power cord. Ensure all wiring is neatly arranged and re-secure the terminal cover. Before opening the service valves on the outdoor unit, the connected piping system must be evacuated using a vacuum pump. Connect a vacuum pump and manifold gauge to the service valves. Start the pump and evacuate for at least 15 minutes, or until the compound gauge reads below -14.7 psi, -76 cmHg. Once vacuum is achieved, close the manifold gauge valve. Then, fully open the liquid and gas service valves on the outdoor unit using a hex wrench. Install and tighten all valve covers. Neaten and secure the outdoor piping and cables. Finally, power the system and use the remote to start a test run. Check for smooth operation and proper cooling, heating performance in both modes. All set! See how easy it is? We hope you found this video helpful. Ready to keep your room cool? Let's go! Have any questions? Feel free to connect with us anytime.